owning a handgun for home defense is a serious matter. With rising crime rates, having a reliable firearm to protect yourself and your family is more important than ever. But with so many options available, choosing the right handgun for home defense can be daunting. Factors such as size, weight, caliber, and magazine capacity all play a role in determining the right firearm for your needs. That's why we've compiled a list of the top 10 handguns that offer the perfect balance of power, reliability, and accuracy to keep your home safe. We'll explain each handgun's features, benefits, and drawbacks, giving you the information you need to make an informed decision. Sounds pretty interesting, right? Well, the least you can do for us is subscribe to this channel right now. That being said, let's unveil these beauties. And now, for the true powerhouse in our lineup, we present the Ruger Red Hawk, a double-action revolver that can punch through brick walls with a single shot. This bad boy is built to withstand the high pressures of the .44 Magnum cartridge. Its solid steel frame and cylinder can handle the most powerful loads you can throw. The Red Hawk also features a cushioned grip that absorbs recoil and keep your hand from feeling like you just smacked a baseball bat. And with that, our list of the top 10 handguns for home defense comes to an end. Remember, the best gun for home defense is the one you're comfortable with and that suits your specific needs. The Ruger SR9C is a compact and concealable semi-automatic pistol that'll have any would-be intruder running for cover. The SR9C is built like a tank with a glass-filled nylon frame that's tough as nails and a cold hammer-forged barrel that can withstand thousands of rounds without losing accuracy. But don't let its compact size fool you. It's still got a decent magazine capacity of 10 plus 1 rounds, which should be more than enough to handle most home defense situations. The Beretta 92FS is a classic pistol that's been the US military's and law enforcement's go-to sidearm for decades now. It really packs a punch for home defense. This semi-automatic beauty has a solid steel construction which feels great in your hands and provides superior durability and reliability. The open slide design offers smooth action and reduced recoil, making it easier to stay on target during rapid fire. The generous magazine capacity of 15 rounds gives you plenty of firepower to fend off multiple threats. One of the standout features of this firearm is the ambidextrous safety/decocker. This allows for quick and easy safety manipulation, which can be a lifesaver in a stressful home defense scenario. A modern take on a classic revolver design, this bad boy is a solid choice for home defense. The King Cobra boasts a comfy grip and intuitive design, making it easy to handle even for those new to firearms. The crisp trigger, smooth action, and durable stainless steel construction will have you firing shots with precision and confidence. Plus, the King Cobra is equipped with an oversized cylinder release that allows for quick reloading, a crucial feature in high-pressure situations where every second counts. Here's a bonus tip for effective home defense. Consider storing your handgun in a quick-access safe or lockbox. Quick-access safes are designed to open quickly and easily with a combination of fingerprints. They allow you to access your firearm quickly when needed while keeping it securely out of reach of children or intruders. By keeping your handgun stored securely but accessible, you can rest assured that your family and property are protected while minimizing the risk of accidents. The Springfield XD is a trusty semi-automatic pistol that packs quite a punch for home defense. The XD offers a polymer frame which provides a light and handy feel for maneuvering in tight quarters. Its grip angle is ergonomically designed to sit comfortably in your hand, allowing for improved accuracy and control. To top it off, the XD has a respectable magazine capacity. That'll give you a solid leg up if you find yourself in a jam. One of the highlights of this pistol is its grip zone, which, as the name suggests, is a designated area on the grip designed to provide enhanced traction and control. This is particularly handy when dealing with a fast-moving, high-stress situation. The HK VP9 is a modern and innovative pistol that offers a range of features for home defense. The VP9 is a polymer-framed handgun designed for tactical and self-defense use. Its ergonomic grip and adjustable back straps makes it comfortable and easy to shoot even for those with smaller hands. Its quick targeting sights, ambidextrous controls, and reliable magazine release make the VP9 a practical choice for home defense. The VP9 steel slide and barrel are coated with a durable finish that resists wear and corrosion, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. If you enjoy this content and wish to see more of it, then please consider hitting that like button. It really helps us out and lets us know that you appreciate our work. And now, back to our list of the top 10 handguns for home defense. Moving on to unique territory, we have the Taurus Judge, a revolver designed to fire both 410 shotgun shells and 45 Colt rounds. The Judge is a heavy-duty revolver that's built to withstand the high-powered recoil of shotgun shells and 45 Colt rounds. With its strong steel frame and comfortable grip, it's easy to handle and shoot even for beginners. The Judge's ability to fire both 410 shotgun shells and 45 Colt rounds makes it a versatile choice for home defense. You can use the appropriate ammunition depending on the situation, from close-range self-defense to longer-range engagement. The CZ75B is a semi-automatic pistol that's known for its smooth trigger, excellent accuracy, and durable design. Its all-steel construction and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to hold and easy to shoot, even in high-stress situations. With a range of caliber options from 9mm to 40 S&W, the CZ75B is a versatile choice for home defense. The 75B's grip is designed to fit the contours of the hand, reducing fatigue and improving accuracy during extended shooting sessions. The all-steel construction of the CZ75B makes it a rugged and durable handgun that can withstand years of use and abuse. The Walther PPQ is a semi-automatic pistol designed for tactical and self-defense use. Its lightweight polymer frame and ergonomic grip make it easy to handle and comfortable to shoot. The PPQ is a practical choice for home defense with a range of features such as a quick targeting fiber optic front sight, a reliable magazine release, and a low-profile slide stop. The PPQ's trigger is one of its most celebrated features. It offers a light pull weight and short reset for quick and accurate follow-up shots. Depending on the model, it can hold between 15 and 20 rounds of 9mm ammunition, giving you plenty of firepower for home defense. The Smith & Wesson 10 is a classic revolver trusted by law enforcement and civilians for over 100 years, and with good reason. The Model 10 is a rugged and durable revolver built to last. Its simple design and intuitive operation make it easy to use even for first-time shooters. Its excellent accuracy and smooth trigger make it a dependable self-defense choice. The Model 10 is known for its excellent accuracy. It's also built to last with a heavy-duty steel frame and a durable finish that can withstand years of use. We hope this video has been helpful and informative for you. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more great content and leave us a comment with your thoughts and opinions on these handguns. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. You never know when someone might need some advice on home defense. Stay safe out there, guys, and thanks for watching.